In this video, we have given that ABCD is a square inside a quarter circle and angle EDC is theta, angle GDC is theta, and DE is 12, DG is x. Then we have to find x. So first method, if we extend DG and AE, suppose this point is H and opposite angles are equal, so this angle will be theta. So these two angles will be also equal. They will be 90 degree minus theta, 90 degree minus theta, and these angles will be 90 degree. So in triangle DHA and triangle DEA, angle HAD is equal to angle EAD. DA is common and angle HDA is equal to angle EDA. So triangle DHA, it will be congruent to triangle DEA. So DH, it will be equal to DE, and DE is 12, so DH will be 12, and also HA, it will be equal to EA, and EA is radius of quarter circle, so HA will be radius, and if we join AG, then AG is also radius of quarter circle, and now in triangle HGE, this point is A, and HA is radius, AE is radius, and AG is radius. So point A, it will be circumcenter of triangle GHE. That means we can make a circle around triangle HGE. And in any circle, if AB is diameter, then this angle on the circle, it will be 90 degree. So here this angle will be 90 degree, this angle will be 90 degree and if in any quadrilateral ABCD, if this angle is alpha, this angle is beta, and if alpha plus beta is 180 degree, then ABCD it will be cyclic. And here in ADGE, it is A, D, G, E. This angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. So ADGE it will be cyclic. That means we can draw a circle around ADGE and in any circle, if this point is P and it is A, B, C, D, then PA times PB it is equal to PC times PD. And here this point is H and HA is R, AE is R, and HD is 12 and DG is X. So HD times HG it will be equal to HA times HE, and HD is 12 times HG it will be 12 plus X, it is equal to HA is R times HE it will be R plus R, and 12 times 12 plus X is equal to R times 2R, and 2 times 6 is 12. So 6 times 12 plus X it is equal to R square, and 12 plus X it is equal to R square by 6. So X will be equal to R square by 6 minus 12, and now ABCD it is a square. So AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CD will be equal to DA. Suppose Y. So AB is Y, BC is Y, CD is Y, and DA is Y, and AE is radius, and these angles are 90 degree. So in triangle DAE, DA square plus AE square it will be equal to DE square, and DA is Y square plus AE is r square, it is equal to DE is 12 square. And if we join AC, then AC will be radius, and also AB square plus BC square, it will be equal to AC square, and AB is y square plus BC is y square, it is equal to AC is radius square. So 2y square will be equal to r square. So y square will be r square by 2 plus r square is equal to 144, and it is 3r square by 2 is equal to 144. So r square, it will be equal to 144 times 2 by 3, and 3 times 48 is 144, and 48 times 2 is 96. So x will be equal to r square is 96 by 6 minus 12, and it is 16 minus 12, that is 4. So x is equal to 4. And second method, we have AE, it will be parallel to DC. So this angle will be also theta, and this angle is 90 degree. And if we draw a perpendicular from G on AE, suppose this point is M and this point is N, then here this angle is 90 degree. So DM, it will be equal to x cos theta, and it is equal to x, and in triangle DAE cos theta, it will be AE by DE, and AE is radius, so it will be equal to x times r by DE is 12, and AN, it will be equal to DM, that is x times r by 12, and also GM, it will be equal to x sin theta, and it is equal to x times, and from here sin theta, it will be AD by DE, and AD is y, so it will be x times y by 12. So AN, it is xr by 12, and GM is xy by 12, and MN will be y, and Now if we join AG, then in triangle AGN, AG square, it will be equal to AN square plus GN square, and AG is radius, so it is R square is equal to AN is XR by 12 square plus GN is XY by 12 plus Y square, and it is R square is equal to X square R square by 12 square plus, and it is Y square times X by 12 plus 1 square, and AC is radius, and AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, so R square will be equal to Y square plus Y square, so R square is 2Y square, it is equal to X square times 2Y square by 12 square plus Y square times X by 12 plus 1 square, and Y square will get cancelled, so 2 is equal to 2x square by 12 square plus, and it is x plus 12 by 12 square, and 2 is equal to 2x square by 144 plus x plus 12 square by 144, and 2 times 144, it will be equal to 2x square plus x plus 12 square, and it is 288 is equal to 2x square plus, and this will be x square plus 12 square plus 2 times x times 12, and 288 is equal to 2x square plus x square is 3x square plus 144 plus 24x, and 3x square plus 24x, and 144 minus 288 will be minus 144, it will be equal to 0, and it is 3 times x square plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0, so x square plus 8x minus 48 it is equal to 0, and x square and 8x it is plus 12x minus 4x minus 48 is equal to 0, and it is x times x plus 12 minus 4 times x plus 12 is equal to 0, and x minus 4 times x plus 12 is equal to 0, so either x minus 4 will be equal to 0, that means x will be equal to 4, or x plus 12 will be equal to 0, so x will be equal to minus 12, but x cannot be negative. So x cannot be equal to minus 12. So x is equal to 4.